Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little's Law YouTube channel. So, like any of our other videos, this video is also going to be very useful for you. So, please do watch the video till the end, and this video will definitely help you in terms of increasing your productivity or in terms of saving you a lot of time. And this will, in fact, will get you uh, more time to think about the JMeter rather than thinking about the Apache JMeter root certificate. Yes, so in this video we're going to see about how to increase the validity. So if you see by default we have validity of the JMeter root certificate for a week. So I in fact have validated it from like I created this from the 11th of June, so I have until 18th of June. So when I was trying to create a new script and I was facing this issue that I'm not able to record because the certificate is already invalid and the process is again like redundant. We are just creating it every time, like every week. So in fact, just imagine if you are creating this like for 52 weeks a year you have to create, and just imagine how much time do we waste it after we have to install this. So in this video, I'll show you how to save a lot of time and how to increase the validity of the JMeter certificate. So in case if you haven't aware of this, please do watch the video till the end and you will definitely get some knowledge out of this video, and you can share this with your friends as well. So before we move on to this video, this is me, Yasan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to our Little Sly YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and please do consider joining our channel. It's just less than 20, it's just less than a coffee. It's just 29 rupees per month, and you can get continuous videos on daily basis, which is more valuable than the 29 rupees, and it's just 99 pence if you're in UK, and it's less than a dollar if you're in US. So now let's see how to increase the validity, and then I will show you how to generate the certificate as well. So for now, I did showed you that the validity is from 11th of June to 18th of June. So what I'll do now is the first step is here. Let me open a file. So the first step is I'm going to take a backup of my existing certificates in case if something goes wrong, you can use your certificate. So just have a backup of your existing certificates. I'm just copying, I'm just cutting this. I'm deleting, removing this file and keeping it out of my. Sorry, yep, I think I already have a copy of it here. Yep, I already have a copy, and so I'm deleting it now. So I'm deleting my file. So now we don't have any certificate. And the next part is we'll have to go to the JMeter properties file. So now the second step is go to your jmeter.properties file. Go to jmeter.properties file in your jmeter, which is inside your bin folder. So don't search everywhere. So it's just inside your bin folder. Go to your bin folder. You're on your jmeter.properties, the property source file. Open it with Notepad or open edit with Notepad++. So I normally prefer Notepad++, and then search for the proxy dot certificate. So let me just search this way. So I normally use the certificate thing. Yeah. So here if you see the validity part. So by default, we all get only for 7 days, and that's been commented. So that does mean that we do only get it for 7 whole days. So let me uncomment it for now, and then I'm going to change it to 365 days. Yeah, and rather increasing this more than this, I don't prefer it because by any means we'll be getting new version. So it's having a 365 days is always good. So you'll find this one in line number 674. So let me update this part here as well in the instructions. So now you are into your jmeter.properties file, and the jmeter.properties file inside the proxy.cert. So you have to change from 7 to 365 days, and then you have to uncomment the line. So you have to do two of these things. So you have to change from 7 to 365 days, and then you have to uncomment the line. Only then it will be valid. So we have changed it. We have uncommented the line, and we have saved the file. And now coming back to your JMeter folder. So now we do not have any of the JMeter, the certificate files, right? So just go back up and down. We don't find any of these files. So now we have to open our JMeter. Okay, so if you have already opened it, just do a file and then a restart. So the thing here is, yeah, so now the jmeter is open. So let me add that in the instruction as well. So you have to restart your jmeter. So that's another instruction, because once you anytime when you make any changes to the properties file, it's always better to restart your jmeter. I mean, that's the only option you have to do. You have to, for sure, you have to definitely restart your jmeter. So you have to restart your jmeter after you change all these changes and save the properties file, and then you have to restart your jmeter. And now coming back to the jmeter, go to the file. This is another a quick way of doing it. So go to go to file, choose templates, and choose recording, create, another create. So let me add that in the instruction as well. So open jmeter, click template and choose recording, and then click create. So now we are on the eighth step. So we have clicked create, and then enable the HTTPS test script recorder. So then enable HTTPS test script recorder, right? So now we have enabled the test script recorder, and click on start, click OK. So what did we do now is, we clicked start and then clicked OK, right? So now you can see this window that's been opened. Close, stop, when click stop, then go to your bin. Yep, I keep on trying. I tried. Uh, in fact, I would say that I have tried for more than a day. And in fact, if you see, I've started yesterday to create this, but I have ended on 24th, and I still could not see. And I, in fact, tried several ways to create it, but then I found out a way to create your certificate, the Apache root certificate, and the way to do it. I mean, in fact, I would say we started with extending the duration of the certificate, but then we ended up in another video where if your JMeter certificate is not created, once you delete it and when you create it, so I mean, like for the first time, it created very well. It came very fine for me, but then the next step when I next time when I wanted to create during the video recording, it did not work out. So then I have stopped, and then I have started to search for the solution. Then I found out the solution. So here's the solution. So what happened is, if you go inside your bin folder, you can see the proxy server.jks file. Just delete that. So the prerequisite here is, you do not have your Apache JMeter root certificate, and then you have deleted your .user, the file that I have deleted now. So let me note it down. So in case if the JMeter root certificate was not created, then you have to delete the proxy server, sorry, proxy server.jks file. So now I have deleted it, and then now I'm going back to JMeter. I'm going to restart my JMeter, create a template with recording, and then the 15th one is I'm going to run the HTTP test script recorder and click start. And for sure, this time we are going to see the certificate with 365 days. Okay, so in case if you would have come across this situation, please do try this scenario. So yeah, let me go. So let me restart the JMeter like I have mentioned. So let me restart. So previously I've deleted the proxy server.jks file since I could not find my JMeter root certificate. So deleted the jks file, and now I have restarted my jmeter and coming back to the uh, file templates or for recording, create, and now if I right click and enable it, then when I click on start, it takes some time. So that means the file is getting created. If it is like very quick, the file would not have been created. And if you see here, you already get the certification as a duration validity of 365 days, and that's another proof that everything went fine. So now, yep, the test recording has started. And now let's go to the bin folder. Yes, now we have got the certificate. And yep, so the validity is from 24th 6th of 2024 to 24th 6th of 2025. So for next 1 year, you don't need to worry about uh, renewing your certificate, jmeter certificate. Yep, so with that I come to an end, and I believe this video would be very useful to you. So thank you so much for your support, and your support made me to reach more heights, try new things. So thank you so much, and if you have any questions, please do ask. And yeah, until I see you in another video, it's bye bye from Vasan Shanmugam and your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.